This is the Pallet Sheaf 2 with a standard stacker. And we're going to talk about the new quick adjust features on the Pallet Sheaf 2. And we have these quick adjust features on all of our equipment, the Pallet Sheaf 1, 2, 3, 4, and also the block pallet assembly system, the deck mat nailer, and all of our equipment. But this Pallet Sheaf 2 has a quick adjust, which the first feature is the crank handle, which adjusts the width of the pallet in and out. And as you turn the crank handle, it adjusts the width of the pallet. As you can see, as he's turning the crank handle, you can see the width of the pallet being adjusted in and out. Very quickly and very easy to adjust. And then we also have the firing bar, the new firing bar feature. This firing bar now has two proximity switches, one for the top board cycle, top board nail pattern, and one for the bottom board nail pattern. And the old style firing bar used to be down low on the leg down here, and was difficult to get to. Plus, you had to adjust the board spacers every time you changed you had to adjust the firing pins every time you changed pallets. Now, with the new quick adjust feature, you simply in order to change the firing pattern, you simply take the firing bar out, turn it over, and put the firing bar back in. And I'm going to show you another view of that. All right, in order to change the nail pattern for a different pallet, all you do is just take the firing bar out. It's a spring-loaded tension on the firing bar so that you change the nail pattern. You've got 4 sides to each firing bar, and so you can have 2 pallet nail patterns for each firing bar. And you can get as many extra firing bars as you need. And so in order to change the nail pattern, it only takes 10 or 15 seconds maybe to change the nail pattern. And then, of course, to change the width of the pallet, as we just showed you with the hand crank, it only takes a few seconds to adjust the width of the pallet. And then after that, you simply will move the guns over in place. You loosen the bolts on the gun bracket, one on top and one on bottom, and slide the gun bracket over in place, and you have the guns set. And then the only other thing besides that is changing the board spacers. You would move the board spacers in place on the bottom board spacer bars, and then you would also move the board spacers in place for the top board spacer bars for your top board placement. And we recommend for different size pallets that you use different colored markers and mark the firing bar for the particular customer that you're going to be setting the pallet up for. Now, the same hand crank that's on the front of the machine is used to adjust the width of the pallet on the stacker. You turn the hand crank and you adjust the width on the stacker. Very quick, very easy. So in a matter of 10 to 15 minutes, you should be totally changed over for a different pallet. And sometimes it could be even quicker.